Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Postal Technica Lagos branch. So I want to introduce you to our newly installed solar solution. Aspiring this is an office complex, and what we have there is seven pieces of 7.2 kilowatts lithium batteries, which you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then these inverters are 5 kV hybrid inverters. On the roof, we have 27 panels of 730 watts panels by Fisher panels connected to the system. So each of the inverters is connected to 99 panels. Then we have our own controls. As you can see, our controls here. We have our 250 amp DC bus bar. This one goes for the positive, that is for the negative. Then we still have other controls here. As you can see, we have the input breakers for AC coming in, then the surge protector for thunder strike, then also the auto breaker. This one is our bypass changeover. So whenever there's a challenge, maybe this is a fault on the system, when they call us like, okay, there's a challenge, you just have to take them to bypass. So the system will be working as if there's no inverter on the system. Then if you look closer at the screen, you can see some settings on the screen. What we did now is we connected all these batteries in parallel and also made sure they all communicate properly on the system. As you can see here, it's showing 98% and C7. C7 means it's 7 batteries that are connected in parallel. That is to say, on the BMS configuration, we connected it perfectly okay. You can see at this point it's showing lithium and it's also showing communication. So that's why you are seeing C7 and it's showing 98%. So this one will display the percentage of the batteries, while this one should display the batteries on LED. LED is 25%, also 100%. The battery is fully charged. And on the DC aspect, we have our DC breakers on each inverter. This DC breaker controls this one, this center controls the center, and this other one controls this one. And we also have our own surge protector also connected to the PV, well grounded as well. Then we still have our still connected to our internet. We have our Wi-Fi dongle for Felicity, which has been configured on this system. But currently we are monitoring just this one because the way the system is designed, if you want to monitor the three, means you have to buy this in three. But there's no point because what you want to see in the monitoring system is just basically your battery percentage and also if there's a grid connected and if it's charging, if you're charging everything with percent because the panels are both stored on the same level. So this one we have finally configured this one now. So now anywhere we are, we can monitor the system to know how the system is working, the battery percentage, the input percentage, and also the harvest from the solar panels. So I think that's all we can explain for now. Then the load on this system currently they have 4 AC, 4 ACs and some they have cooker units with just one this load. They don't use it all the time, and the pressure pumps are connected as well. So and since it's an office complex, they close by sometimes 9, sometimes 5. So this system is expected to power the full facility for 24 hours, except on a very rainy day, maybe it rains for like 2 days, because your autonomy has been calculated. Then you may need to introduce your grid or generator to work for some time so that the battery will charge up and continue to enjoy your system. Thank you very much. Thank you.